Hello everyone, and welcome back to the David Brog channel. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to mine Dynex Coin. The Unmineable software is perfect for beginners, working on regular PCs and laptops, and it's also suitable for large mining farms. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment. So, let's head to the website and download the program. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Let me tell you about the main advantages of the Unmineable miner. It supports a huge number of cryptocurrencies and tokens that you can mine for profit. You can mine almost any popular coin or token using your CPU or GPU, even coins that aren't typically mineable. The program automates all the complex processes, making mining accessible through a simple application, which is especially useful if you have spare hardware. It's very beginner-friendly. While it's downloading, alright, the download is complete. You can either extract the archive or run it directly. Don't worry, the program is safe. Windows Defender often flags mining software like this because they put a load on your system, and it's generally untrusting of them. Just click More Info and then run anyway. Let's open it. We'll click through the necessary installation steps. And we're done. Launching the application now. Click Continue. And here we are in the main interface. As you can see, it supports almost all major cryptocurrencies for mining. There's a huge list here, but you can also add any coin that isn't listed by default. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll select Dynex Coin. Now we'll need a wallet address where your mined cryptocurrency will be sent. Next, we just need to click Start. I use an Exodus wallet, but you can use any wallet you have access to, or even an address from an exchange. And that's it. The local hash rate is now running. We've successfully started mining. Everything is working. I also wanted to highlight one of the key benefits of this program. You can adjust the mining intensity. You can set it to a minimum and comfortably work on your PC, or even play games without major interruptions. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.